What's up, guys? As you can see, we're making some progress here, moving stuff around, because this week I'm going to tear this face off and frame this all in, and then I'm going to frame this all in. So making me some room, slowly but surely. Get these seats back in my wife's van, get rid of that table, and got my little nest egg built up there. Already got it full. I'm gonna build one more up here because I'm opening this up. See, I got stuff up there, and if you look over there, see that? Yeah. I'm gonna have a way to move air in here. Turn that on and pull air up out of here and blow out through the roof. So, but that's where we are today, guys. Come Monday, if it don't rain, it ain't too hot, I'm gonna start ripping this side off, framing it all in. Then I'm gonna take the metal that's left and I'm gonna use it for my roof. And then I haven't decided yet on what I'm gonna do to the front of this, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, till the next time, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.